Lviv is one of the most beautiful and culturally rich places in Ukraine. The place is located at the end of the region, close to the cordon with Poland. Lviv has a rich history, architectural monuments, cultural traditions and delicious cuisine. The old town of Lviv is included in the list of UNESCO World Heritage Sites and impresses with its architecture, narrow streets and harmonious atmosphere. Here you can find different styles of architecture, from middle century architecture to baroque and neoclassical. Lviv is also aware of its cultural decline, including theaters, museums and music festivals. The place has a rich musical and literary scene, as well as a large quantity of kava, which creates a special atmosphere for kava lovers. In addition, Lviv is famous for its cuisine, which includes traditional Ukrainian herbs, as well as infusions of Polish, Jewish and Austrian cuisine. Zahalam, Lviv is a place with a rich history, culture and culinary traditions, which represent a neutral enemy for tourists. Lvov has a lot of things to say. The axis of the decal from them, Market Town Hall. The heart of the old town of Lviv is the central market, where you can find narrow streets, restaurants, cafes and shops. Lviv Opera, the opera and ballet theater named after Solomia Krushelnitska, is a great place where you can enjoy performances and concerts. Market Square, the central square of Lviv, which is lined with beautiful historical buildings, restaurants and cafes. Arsenal. This is an old armored kamyanitsa, where the Museum of Armored Vehicles and Military Equipment has been rebuilt. High Castle Park. With its panoramic view of the castle and the castle, this park is a wonderful place for walking and recuperation. Lviv Zoo. This is the oldest zoo in Ukraine, where you can see a variety of animals and birds. Lviv Cauldron. Lviv is famous for its kava, which is one of the local cafes. This is also a mandatory program for tourists. There are only a few buts, but Lviv may be without any other important places that you can tell.